Big sound in a small speaker, that's what the xb100 is all about. This rugged little speaker is small enough to fit in the cup holder of your car, bike, or baby stroller, but if you don't have any of those things, there is also a versatile strap so you can take it wherever you go. And you can also choose the perfect color that suits you. The xb100 is IP67 rated, making it waterproof and dustproof. And we have an all-new UV coating for extra protection from the elements. You get all-day listening with up to 16 hours of playback, and thanks to the improved driver and full-range speaker, you get great sound with enhanced low-end tones and nice deep bass. The new sound diffusion processor spreads out the sound for a more expansive experience. But if you want even more sound, you can wirelessly pair two xb100s to get true left and right stereo sound playback, which I absolutely love. Now if you need to take a call, no problem. The built-in mic lets you enjoy hands-free calling straight through the speaker.
It's your boy Larry with Sony.
With echo-canceling technology, two people can talk at the same time without clipping or cutting out. Another thing I love is Sony's commitment to the future of the planet. Because of this, the xb100 is made of partially recycled materials with plastic-free packaging designed with the environment in mind. Now I love the xb100 and I will be traveling everywhere with it. It suits my lifestyle and it might be perfect just for you. So make sure you pick up one or even a second stereo pairing. I've been Derek from Sony. Thanks for watching.